Hi, I am Vinay Rana from vPerfect.ts. We build practical Odoo and AI automation solutions. In this video, we will explore construction industry. 1. User access rights. 2. CRM lead. 3. BoQ form. 4. Cost types and tax configuration. 5. Activity lines, main activity. 6. Sub-activity lines. 7. Additional cost in BoQ. 8. Margin set. 9. Submit BoQ for approval. 10. Sale order. 11. Start BoQ and create initial advance payment. 12. Advance payment invoice. 13. Create payment certificate. Once construction begins, it's important to update on-site progress on sub-activity lines. When enough work is completed, creating a payment certificate becomes possible. 14. Payment certificate invoice. 15. Purchase order. This feature facilitates hiring subcontractors for specific activities defined within the BoQ. 16. Subcontractor invoice vendor bill. 17. New variation order applied. If changes to the project scope are necessary, you can easily add a new variation order right from the BoQ form. This feature provides flexible options to modify existing lines, ensuring responsiveness to project needs while keeping everything organized. 18. Retention amount paid. 19. Retention invoice. 20. Completed BoQ work.